Hey y'all, sitting in my room trying to figure out how the hell did I fall out of love and it hurt. But then I find somebody else and then it's like, should I? Should I? What y'all think? Is it worth it? I need some feedback. Talk to me. I'll be sitting here for a while looking quite dumb if you don't. Holla at me. I'm trying real hard, not to get my feelings involved, but I think I might have slipped. Listen to this shit I'm listening to. I'm missing you. Waiting for you.